die in psychosis. It's hypnosis, we're giving you the right dosage. You might roll with us if after what we bring into the cipher life, the tight flow shit, the rhymes I track and steadily make a morphin. Knives in my back got me like a stegosaurus, but I take the time to replenish these endorphins. The time is money, so I can never afford to roll a cone and I light it up like a candlestick. Broken language, I wrap it up into bandages. Pull out your notepad and scribble like an analyst. Choke on your own like what happened with cannabis. To the other rappers, I ain't jealous for real. I spit better now than you ever fucking will. I'm the illest spitter that you heard up in the Ville, because the way I handle bitches call me Cruella de Vil. I never lay a track, talking about shooting people. I'm showing these cats a lesson like I was the music teacher. Popping bottles and blunts is all these faggots listen to. My bars suck cause you actually have to listen to them. Quick when I'm writing a tight and divided syllables to liquid nitrogen, I'm slicing all the skin off them. Ice in your necklace can't compare to my minerals. Your biting's offensive, you only writing the minimal. Through with your music, your tune is amusing to me. I'm that dude with the fluidness who knew I could be intuitive. I'm here to maneuver, influence all these stupid fucks who told me I never do this shit. Yeah, with my intricate rhythms and infinite synonyms and criminalistic lists that are filled with my sicknesses. I'm spitting bars and wreaking havoc till the fallout. It's Plex, Bad EF is who I'm calling out. Peace.